Welcome to our channel. Today, we're deep into the heart of London's music scene with a rock and roll tour of Soho.
Snapshot travel guide where every frame tells a tale. We don't just show you where to go, we show you why to go.
One of the notable locations on Denmark Street is number 4, Regent Sounds Studio. This is where legendary bands like the Rolling Stones, the Beatles, and the Who recorded their music. Foyles bookshop, previously known as St. Martin's College, holds a special place in music history. It was here that the Sex Pistols played their very first gig. Soho Square is not only a beautiful park, but also home to a bench dedicated to Kirsty McColl. MPL, which is Paul McCartney's office, is also located here. Greek Street is another significant location. It is where the After Dark Jazz Club is situated, and it was here that the talented Amy Winehouse performed. At number 47, we have Ronnie Scott's Jazz Club. This iconic venue holds a special place in history, as it was where Jimi Hendrix played his final gig. On the corner of Broadwick Street and Duck Street was once the Bricklayers Arms, where Brian Jones auditioned members for the Rolling Stones. Here on Old Compton Street, at the site of this chip shop, was the Two Eyes Coffee Bar. It played a significant role in the emergence of the British rock and roll scene. At 90 Wardour Street, you will find the site of the Marquee Club. The Rolling Stones, the Who, and Led Zeppelin all played here, Berwick Street. You may know this view from Oasis album cover, What's the Story, Morning Glory? Trident Studios, located at 17 St. Anne's Court, is another important spot. Many iconic albums were recorded here, making it a legendary studio. Carnaby Street is synonymous with the Swinging Sixties, although it is not a specific venue. It represents the vibrant and exciting music scene of that era. The Bag of Nails, located at 9 Kingly Street, was a famous haunt for music legends. Jimi Hendrix, the Beatles, and the Rolling Stones were among the frequent visitors to this establishment. Hedden Street holds a special place in the hearts of David Bowie fans. It is here that the iconic cover photo for his Ziggy Stardust album was taken. The rooftop of Apple Corps at 3 Savile Row is a historic location. It was on this rooftop that the Beatles gave their final public performance. Lastly, we have the Scotch of St. James at Mason's Yard. This legendary venue has been frequented by numerous rock icons and is known for its significant musical encounters. That wraps up our music tour of Soho. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep rocking.